In today's video, I'm going to teach you automatic update for themes with minimal or no code changes. If you're using the Dawn theme and you haven't made major edits to the code, this is the fastest, safest way to get the latest features and fixes without rebuilding your storefront from scratch. We'll walk through where to find the update in your Shopify admin, how to add it to your theme library, and how to quickly preview and publish when you're confident everything looks right. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Online Store, then Themes. This is your theme control center. Find your current Dawn theme in the list. When an update is available, you'll see a notification next to it showing the new version number. That little badge is your cue that Shopify has a newer, improved release ready for you. Click the notification to open the Details dialog. This window gives you context about what's included in the update, such as performance improvements, design tweaks, or bug fixes. It's a great place to confirm you're updating to the version you want and to get a quick overview of what will change behind the scenes. Next, click Add to Theme Library. Shopify will add the new version of Dawn as a separate theme in your library, leaving your current live theme untouched. Your existing theme settings, like colors, typography, and the layout choices you've made in the editor, should transfer automatically. That means you keep your look and feel while benefiting from the latest code. If you've added heavy custom code in the past, some of those edits may not carry over, which is why this automatic method is recommended when you've made minimal or no code changes. Now, preview the new version. Use the preview to scan your homepage, product pages, collection pages, and cart. Check your header and footer, announcement bars, and any key sections you rely on. It's helpful to click through on both desktop and mobile to make sure spacing, buttons, and images appear as expected. If something looks slightly off, it's usually a quick tweak in the theme editor's settings. When you're happy with how everything looks, publish the new version to make it your live theme. Publishing swaps your storefront over to the updated Dawn, and your previous theme stays safely in your library, so you can switch back if needed. That's all it takes. An efficient, low-risk way to stay current with minimal effort.